SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to turn off Siri on an iPhone in iOS 17. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. While Siri can be a useful option to complete some certain tasks on your iPhone, you might find that you're either not using it or it's simply not working very well. So if you would like to disable Siri on your iPhone, then you just need to open the Settings app. You can then scroll down and select the Siri and Search option from this menu, and then you can select the Listen For button at the top of this screen. Now you're just going to choose Off from this list of options, and then you're going to tap Siri and Search to go back to the previous menu. Now you're going to tap the button to the right of Press Side button for Siri to turn that off, and then you're going to tap the Turn Off Siri button to confirm that you're going to turn off Siri on your phone. Take note of this information here, as Siri also gets used to respond for dictation. So if you want to remove all of your Siri information from Apple servers, then we have another step after this. So we're going to tap Turn Off Siri to complete this action, and now Siri's turned off here. If you would like to disable dictation, then you just need to go back to the main settings menu, and then you can choose the general option from this menu. Then you can scroll down and select keyboard here. And then you're going to scroll down again until you find the Enable Dictation option under Dictation. And then you're going to tap the button to the right of that to turn it off. Now you can just tap Turn Off Dictation to confirm. And this is going to remove your saved dictation information if you've used it previously.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.